Yabemo bibi akwa ba BM area ba Okuma 97.1 Okuma radio and face on Okuma TV. And then we say be PM over the forecourt of the State House and so no in crime memo. Na just say yenya Christian Achu Chasam, the final funeral rites and then Ghana mine and I feel so no out of four. Yet to me so and so no over the forecourt of the State House. Jumedi no esa say anopa no siano fa. And Jumedi Audona etumi echo so a software kukudam ebaye Ghana for Sansana His Excellency Nana Adotankwa Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana, the former President John Dramani Mahama ebaye the Ghana Football Association President and I feel so no and penifo and so now Ghana ex-footballers omunyina ebepie mu ewa ha yenua Christian Achucha Sam yansoro yakopen eye Crabbre na ene ebredu se de dwumadie no ebesi Okuma radio ye bae enso no ede dwumadie no etumi ebrewo enso no ewo aboboa no ene ofie anyina ene ebeba na afie se de dwumadie no ayeden enso no ede yasim ewo ahase emobo se yenua a great footballer for this country Christian Achunso no yetimi ahwe no enso no ewo eye oman konko Ghana baransa na yebekọ no enua eye Adwoa-Pokua ewo nam ono so no ewa ha ene no ene di dwuma no nyina Adwoa public relations officer adema BEREKUM Chelsea Boboku no anopa abepem sesemri ene Adwoa ana ejiremu a ye hwe dwumadie no kama Adwoa mebisa no kakra no so beka edafa yenua Christian Achu Twasam eho na afi so no yetimi akọ Adwoa ene yenua Christian Achu Twasam emobo anke yetwa hia se ya na anke bia ye bo na baso ye ka no wasem pa bare nei yetwa hia yenua no ye gya no kwan no no so netimi akopie eye ne bofo eho edian na beka edafa yenua ye Christian Achu Twasam ho
Okuman medawase na ene day it's a very sad day ma yenyina especially the football fraternity. But Achu no to me say he didn't only impact football all around globally. From divers or everywhere. To me say Achu no he did more than football. It's such a sad situation say. And Achu instead of say betina ebi awasanko club for airborne. Unfortunate incidents near to he's done well. Why I believe say what he was meant to come and do no and now abe and at the time it try it's I can't talk about ex-players no I mean it's so sad because and yes all you just unfortunate inti make us say if we are still who ye bibia now where you are come because you know you sitting here try the most important thing is say what are people going to say about you. And I have learned, say, you have to leave a legacy. And indeed, he's left it for the rich, poor, old, young. Everybody loved the young man. Always a smile on his face. And we've lost a great Mekasa legend.
At the end of Rebecca, you know, Christian Achu.
That kind of AFCON or welcome your boy on your best.
AFCON 2015.
Exactly. So yeah, this is so yem bobono. Ah, they be like I said, Black Stars and now we bobola you yem bobono. Achu or yem bobono. Mekai asamaja kase or kampa. Nibumfu. He's always happy. Nyabeka and no beye. This is that kind of soul. Ah, we just that one check. And he made them kind of say, and last way our boy our share goal or share anyway. It to say they needed that goal in the team. They needed it to get out of relegation. And to me boy, it is such a player there. They be our pitch so or you bobo or mao the results our pitch so and see you be kind of power, you be kind of but Nyakupo no nim. So may he rest in perfect peace.
Finally, at the end of this Ghana, a football fraternity, and even the state, you bet my year, Eri Anna Christiana, Chunebimo Gasanka, Yempe Stadium, name Fenidin, and to Swibisi Yarita, number 7 a year jersey of the Black Stars. At the end, I would say, on mine Ghana, Christiana Junior.
Well, the return of the jersey, I don't think so because he retire number 7, Rebecca say number 7, I want him for who pitch. So by the BB2, need what to say. Pitch and a stadium be honest say me example me call Baba Sports Stadium because so me call Achu Twasam Sports Stadium see me feel say Achu Yemfa Stadium be into this and I must commend the GFA and the states on my ye no my ye but Ghana enye de bia na uwa ansa na you prepare with ye footballers no wom so omu bo ejuma omu ye omu amusika but at least they work for the state And we shouldn't wait when they die before we saying that say. To say we should try and saw these footballers coach. Obi Ejima Ghana bia. And see make say stadium and other facilities. Yen fan to attruding.
Alright, the better say Uni Abane saying Adwoa-Pokua Adwoa-Pokua PRO Edma BEREKUM Chelsea and I feel so no motel and can enter and I jumedi no yeribesi na feel so no yako memory visit chana 10 a.m. on our Command Global Sports no updates in yina yan so no yede ebe bro and then yebe PMO out the forecourt of the State House or Command 97.1 here by Yenia Christian Achucha Sam na ye no ana yede bro. May the soul of Christian Achu rest in peace.